We're a manufacturer of electronic interfaces. So we deal with a lot of companies like Boeing Aerospace and other medical and military manufacturers all across North America and around the world. In this time of crisis, manufacturing Canada has to come together. We have to all do our part. So we've taken a look at what equipment we have here and what we can do to help. And we've migrated a lot of our capacity to medical shield manufacturing. And what we're trying to do is use, to the best of our capabilities, the ability to help protect our frontline workers in this time of need through making clear shields and whatever else we can do. We have parts we're making for respirators here as well right now, which has taken first priority, of course, in all of our production lines. Working with local dentists, with the COVID-19 intake centers and assessment centers and the hospitals, we've been trying to migrate and develop the best design possible.
There's been a lot of resources put into masks and gloves, different kinds of masks, different kinds of gloves, the gowns. There's been millions of dollars of Canadian resources into that. But then the face shield at the beginning of it wasn't as much as of an issue. But today, if you call any of these colleagues of mine, which I've done, the first thing that they say is that, where can we get shields? And when I came and saw what Andrew and Rick are doing, I was first of all impressed by the level of sophistication in their designs. There were a couple of things that I thought that if you add to it, it would definitely help not only the frontline medical workers, but the frontline dental workers. For example, we implemented a little bit thicker foam so that the dental glasses and goggles and the lenses that the dentists are using can fit into it.
It's been an incredible challenge, not only having to figure out a design, having to work through government rules and regulations on that, reorganizing our facility and adapting to medical standards in terms of masks, gloves, which we all need to be doing right now anyways as part of the global situation. But in this, we needed to take it another step forward. It's also in this time when it's unfortunate that a lot of people are having to stay home and a lot of businesses have had to close. We've been having to find new staff to help. So we've brought on several new hands and we'll be looking to bring on more new hands, new team members throughout the upcoming week or weeks to jump on board and help increase our production capability and get more of this much needed equipment in the market.
So I think for me, I'm not using a lot of my dentistry skills, but a lot of things that Andrew needs here is just generally labor. So we cut things, we move things, we put things in the back of trucks, and we would need help eventually. I've reached out to my team who work for me in my offices and reach out to them. If we can't offer them any employment in our offices, this is another venue. We're looking into bringing someone back here and help us.
So we're trying to cover our costs, and we're hoping that the government will step up. We've been talking to our MP and our MPP here in Parry Sound, Muskoka, and we're hoping everybody can reach out and let them know that local manufacturing needs government help. Where centers in Toronto or the bigger cities have a lot of support, Northern Ontario has been left behind, and any support we can get from the government in Northern Ontario would be greatly appreciated. So if you can reach out, please do.